guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get into this look. I'm gonna do a Morphe palette, pink, like summery glow look. I got my hair done yesterday. Shout out to Ty with the cute little bottoms. Ooh. So let's get into it. Hi, let's get started. I'm gonna start with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. What am I doing? Alright guys, so let's get into this look. I'm gonna start off with the eyebrows. This is my new NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil in Espresso. And now to cover up my little imperfections, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Caramel. And blend it in, honey. You gotta blend. And my two favorite OGs by Maybelline, Fit Me Foundation in Caramel and Superstay in Caramel. And you gotta tap, tap, tap in your foundation with the brush. And to get the perfect base, we're gonna use the Acid Rain paint by MMMMitchell in Blank Canvas. I love this Morphe palette, just a crush. And we're gonna start with the color First Kiss. And in the corner, we're gonna create a winged eye. So we're gonna angle the brush and brush outwards. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And to create a cut crease, we're gonna go back in with the Louise Acid Rain in Blank Canvas and create a nice pocket in the corner. And in the palette, we're gonna go in with the color Butterflies and we're gonna pack it on top of the eyeshadow base. And on this side, we're going to repeat the same steps. We're going to pack the corner in, create a winged eye, and also do a cut crease in the pocket. And I can't believe I didn't even see my niece's feet in the back of the video. She was like twiddling with her toes and stuff. I'm seriously loving this concealer from Too Faced in the color Butterscotch. It is amazing. And for a little added contour, I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color Sculpt. And for bronzer, I'm going in with the Pro Bronzer by Absolute New York. To set under my eyes, I'm going in with the Pro Filter Setting Powder in Banana by Fenty Beauty. And to get my cheeks looking rosy, I'm going to use the color Her Blooming Cheek by MAC. And after I let my setting powder sit, I'm ready to dust it off like the haters. And for a more defined look, I'm going to add some setting powder under my contour. To contour my nose, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the color Truffle. Mascara time. And my favorite lashes from Amazon. Check out the link below for these Siberian mink lashes. They're my fave. And for a little added pop, I'm gonna go in under my eyes with the color Butterflies. To line my lips, I'm going to use LA Colors Lipliner Pencil in the color Hazelnut. To fill my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Stockholm. And of course, to top it off, I gotta use some clear lip gloss. This one is Aloe Lip Gloss by Beauty Treats. And to get that summery glow, I'm going to use the Stellar Highlighter Palette by Milani. And to finish the look off, I'm going to use the Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. Alright guys, this is my final look. I hope you like it and I hope you try to do the look, and if you do, please tag me.
I like Natasha because she is the best makeup artist.
Oh, thank you. And do you like my pinky look? Yeah? Please like and subscribe for more.
Subscribe for more
videos.
Yeah, subscribe for more makeup videos. Advertise.
Bye.
Bye, bye, guys.